Meaning of hover.
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 Hover. The word hover typically refers to the act of remaining in one place in midair, often by flapping one's wings or through the use of technology. It can also mean to linger uncertainly or to be hesitant. In general, the term connotes a sense of suspension and anticipation. Hovering can sometimes indicate a sense of caution or watchfulness, as in the case of a bird hovering over its prey. Additionally, the term is sometimes used metaphorically to describe a state of indecision or hesitation. Overall, the concept of hovering suggests a state of suspended animation or a moment of anticipation.